like a boss.
Look, ladies. Let me tell you the telltale signs that he's about to waste your goddamn time. Because we don't have enough time. The world that we live in is all about time. We have a limited amount of time. And the thing is that if you waste your time with certain guys, you're literally stripping away the opportunity for the great guys to be in your life. So let me tell you guys the telltale sign that a guy's wasting your time, and that you gotta get away from this because it's not gonna work. It's not gonna end well, right? The first sign is this, all right? He makes you uncertain. No, he has to wait. He's not sure yet, all right? Look, ladies, all right? You know this from your experience. You know when you don't like it, there's no such thing as I don't know if I like you. It's obvious if you like me in the moment or not. I'm not gonna change my mind tomorrow and say, you know what? I didn't find you attractive yesterday. I'm gonna find you attractive. I think I find you attractive now. And the fact that you're waiting on him like he's some goddamn prize, it lifts his ego even more. Look, man, I don't care how many times he promises you that this might work out. I don't care how much he works, because guys work hard to convince you that they like you, right? So if there's a lot of this, a lot of talking, hey, I like you, I like you, I like you, right? But not a lot of action where he says, hey, don't pay attention to my actions, listen to my words, I like you, baby, come on, baby, let's just wait a little bit longer. He's wasting your time. Never wait for anybody. Look, man, as a guy, if you want to get dicked around by women, accept a woman's maybe. Accept maybes. Accept the maybe. And I can promise you, you're gonna end up with a lot of motherfucking headaches, right? So if you're talking to a dude, man, and he's making you feel like you gotta wait for him, like he's some God sent from heaven, he's wasting your time. Never wait for anybody. Never wait for anybody. When you wait for somebody, you automatically giving your power because it makes you emotional. It puts you in an emotional state, right? So don't pay attention to people's promises, man. If he says, hey, maybe next week, motherfucker, fuck that shit. Move on. What you got to do is not move on, but what you got to do is just not move on, but how can I say this? But put it this way. When a woman ever tells me maybe, in my mind, it's over. Where the fuck did that come from? In my mind, it's over. It's not that I'm bitter. It's not that I don't want to talk to you, but that I am not putting in no more effort with you. If I hear from you, it's gonna be because of you. But then you also have guys that hit you up. That's the problem with guys. That guys come back. So what you gotta do with this? When a guy hits you up and he's not certain about you, you only say, hey, hit me up when you get certain, and that's that. So if he hits you up and says, how's your day? You're not gonna respond and say, hey, not much, how about you? No. You're gonna cut that shit, cut it short. Not much, getting work done, have a productive day. You're only gonna respond to him when he talks to you about this relationship. And even if look, man, you're not gonna say don't talk to me. You're gonna be polite and end the conversation by not initiating contact. Oh, this fly needs to die, man. This fly needs to motherfucking die. Ooh! Ooh! Sorry about that. Sorry. It was one of those fat flies that don't really have a lot of mobility. So it's like an easy kill. But anyway, ladies, look, man, you can't accept that, right? Now, the next thing is this, which is the most important one. You feel like he's playing games. Look, man. So the first one is he makes you wait. The third one is he gives you promises, but there's no action behind the promises. Always pay attention to always pay attention to people's when they don't follow through, right? The next, and mind you, broken promises is a habit. Always remember that. When people break promises, it's usually not a first time thing, it's a habit, all right? Then the next one is you feel like he's playing games. Look, ladies, if you feel like he's playing games, he's playing games. You know? So if he says, is he playing games? Go with those instincts. Let him convince you otherwise. Let the guy convince you that he's not playing games. If you feel like he's playing games, don't call him out. Just pull back. Just pull back. Pull back to the point that it's so obvious that he likes you. Pull back to the point that it's almost like having sex with a dead corpse. You're not gonna try. If you wanna make this work, you're gonna have to do all the motherfucking work. That's what I'm saying. Is that whenever you put in some effort, you automatically put in more. You give him more smoke to hide under. Don't do nothing. it'll automatically reveal their intention, because if you never hear from them again, they were playing you. And even if you hear from them again, if you hear from them just by breadcrumbs, never fully asking you out, fuck that shit. And even if they do ask you out, you're gonna say, I'll be honest with you, I don't know about this, man. I don't like the way you were just acting uncertain. I don't know about this. You know, then you say, hey man, how you gonna make it up to me? Oh my god, these flies are huge. It's so easy to fucking, oh my god, it fucking flew. Oh, I'm so sorry, people. This is huge. Oh my god. Sorry. I'm in Berlin right now. It's unbelievable. The flies are like this huge. The fourth one. Sorry, I had to actually make this video as I am eating dinner right now, but I just had to include it. The fourth one is that he's really lying to you. If a dude's really lying to you from the start, I don't give a fuck how silly that lie is. If he's really lying to you, yo. And another one is when you guys are really having arguments. You know, and stuff like that. So when you guys are constantly fighting from the start and constantly he's lying, it's not gonna get worse. It's not gonna get better. You see what I'm saying? Like, it feels like I have to reiterate this much, but it's not gonna get better, right? And the reason why is because I was talking to a client today, and I'm like, wait a minute. So if a dude is already lying to you from the start, and you guys are already arguing from the start, this is not a good relationship, and it better end ASAP, right? So that's a big one. Yeah. It's crazy. All right, guys, if you guys want to come to my seminar tomorrow, I have a seminar in Berlin. Attend, all right? We're in Berlin, people. Tomorrow, so get your tickets today, all right? And see you tomorrow, all right? Deuces, and tell me what kind of video you guys want me to make next. This is Alex from Mind for Attraction. Deuces. And guys, look, man. If you feel like he's lying to you, go with it and pull back completely and let him convince you otherwise, all right? Be safe. All right, ladies. So this is the course that all of you guys have been asking me for, and it's the psychological game of attraction. This is pretty much the course that will make any man beg to want to commit with you. This is the course that I wish, I'll be honest with you, if I was a woman, this is the kind of course that I want, because it's a course that's specifically geared to help you understand how guys fall in love and how to do it in a systematic way that's almost predictable, right? So let me show you guys how this course is set up. By the way, there's a 30-day money back guaranteed on this course. So if you guys don't like it, you guys will get money back. Look, let me show you how it's done, right? So it's split up in a few sections. The first section is the introduction, obviously, what to expect from it. After that is giving you an understanding of the psychology of attraction, right? Because you need to understand that dating is a game. You need to think strategically, that there are certain laws of human nature that you cannot break, and just a few things of why people love each other. You know, it's very important to have a realistic expectation. After that, we go into the three phases of every relationship. They all go in these three phases, and these phases could overlap each other at times, right? The first phase is the pre-honeymoon period. It is when you first know the person, or it is when you're becoming acquaintance with the guy, or it is when you guys broke up and are back together, or it is when you guys had a long period of you guys not knowing each other and now you guys want to rekindle things. This works in any point of the relationship that you need to spark interest and curiosity. So these videos are specific for that. Specific to create curiosity, how to get to know the guy the right way, using your nonverbals, how to create a powerful reputation. It's truly powerful stuff. After that is the honeymoon period. This honeymoon period is how to get from curiosity to interest to creating a deep connection. So all of these videos are specifically geared to that. Not the 30, no. These specific videos are there for this phase, and this phase is any phase. You guys are having a good, happy moment. You guys just got back together, and now you feel that peak. You feel that happiness that you guys felt. That's what this is, right? So these videos are there for that, creating a lonely fantasy, the preemptive breakup, the triangle of love, using words to control these men. It's powerful stuff. After that is the post-honeymoon period, and again, is a short list of videos because these videos are there to solidify the connection that you already created. So if you're if you just had an incredible moment, or you just came out of a vacation with a guy and everything went well, you better use this phase, because if you don't do this, he's gonna become disenchanted. It's just how it is. These are very specific videos, and if you and all you gotta do is just say, all right, where am I tell you where you guys are, and you just watch the video. It's pretty much like being coached by me. You got some bonus videos: stop being nice, dealing with the inevitable, how to deal with breakup, how to deal with getting over a dude. This is the how to overcome manipulation, identifying manipulation, deterring manipulation, defending yourself against manipulation, what to do if you're already in a manipulative relationship, and how to avoid them through detachment. It's pretty much an extremely succinct and laser focused course. Not one waste of motion. That's why I love it. And there's a 30-day money back guarantee if you guys don't like it. No questions asked, people. All right? And if you guys want to support this channel, this is how you support it. And I hope you guys enjoy this. All right? See you guys inside.